Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video. We have a haul, but I am outside and we also have kids, I think neighbors, I don't know how many doors down, but I can hear them. All right, so we're just gonna still do this outside. I have these candles. I had talked about them in my empties yesterday, I think. And yeah, I was waiting on some candles that I purchased last weekend when I was on my LA trip. And I don't think they're all in here unless 5 candles fit in here because I think I had ordered 5. We will see if they are all here. But this bag is purchases that my friend who lives in LA has made for me while, if she finds something that I can't find here and I finally was able to pick it up. I say LA. If you guys are from out here, California, Northern California, or Southern, once I drive south, once I pass the Grapevine, I've told you guys before, I consider that LA. Okay, I'm so close to just driving to LA that's my LA visit. Okay, so yeah, so here these purchases are, throughout the time that I haven't been out there. She always has like things that she's holding for me, and then she gave me a little gift, so we'll get into that after I get into these candles. Let's open this up. And by the way, as I'm opening this, I want to say, I'm not sure if she'll watch this, but thank you to Tina Marie. Thank you so much for asking for prayers for my son, Aiden, the middle one. He's 11. He is still sick with COVID. I tested him again yesterday. He's still sick, has, all of the congestion. The cough is like literally the worst. And yeah, so he's still sick. Continue to pray for him, friends, because I truly, truly believe in that. And that's why I appreciate you so much, Tina, for asking people on your channel to pray for my son. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate you. Okay, so thank you so much. Yeah, so let's get into the candles. I'm gonna take this paper out. Wow, so I guess 5 candles do fit in here. I just hope they're not broken because yeah, let's see. And I hate these boxes. I really hate these boxes. So I had to. You guys saw in my empties, pumpkin peanut brittle has become a favorite. You guys know I am a gourmand lover. In fact, I think that's my number one as far as like scents, family. Gourmand, when it comes to candles, is just my number one. And I love it. I love this candle. I am so happy to have, I'll show you how many more I ordered. And then I wanted to get this Apple Orchard Lane. I want to try this one. And we have Cuddle Weather, which I've been able to smell in the store. Glad I just got one. And then we have, let's see. Oh, look, these are the boxes I like. You could just, right? Is it the one that you just open or it's not? Oh, I was tricked. I thought this was the box that just opens up, but it's not. So I decided to get a banana walnut muffin. I thought I still had my last year's like halfway used. I've been looking for it and I didn't find it. So I got another one. So here is that. And I mean another one, meaning I thought I had in my collection last year still, but maybe I finished it. And then another pumpkin peanut brittle. I can't get enough of this one. I got 2 this time. I still have another one that's 3. I could certainly get more, but either way, for now, 3 is good. So I'm gonna open them out of the boxes and read the notes to you guys. Okay, it took me a while to open those from the boxes because those boxes are difficult and then the glue gets stuck on here, and I took most of it off, but this one it was a little bit tougher for me to remove, so I'm gonna just leave it for now. Let's go over Cuddle Weather. This is so strong on that gingerbread. So we have gingerbread tea. It says gingerbread tea, but it's strong on the gingerbread. Cinnamon shortbread and cozy blanket. I do not know what cozy blanket is, but I think it's supposed to be like a cozy feeling to this candle. And I totally, when you smell it, I totally get that. Like you would use this in the cold months, to feel a little warmer in your house. I don't know. It's just, Ah, it smells good. I really do like it, but I don't know that it's going to be one of my favorites. So I'm happy that I just got one. I don't know that I'm going to try it anytime soon because I'm really trying to finish off some candles. And as I smell it on cold, I like it, but it's not a favorite. It doesn't jump at me like burn me right now. I don't care what time of the month it is because it is, you know, hot out here in California. So basically, yeah, I'm not going to burn this anytime soon, I believe. And look at that glue. Like I thought I got most of it off, but we still have some. I'll just deal with that later. Pumpkin peanut brittle. You guys know I love this candle. I can't get enough of it. It smells so good. I had like no issues with it. This is like an 8 of a throw to me in my home. I love this candle. I want to eat it actually. Okay, I can't. But crunchy caramel brittle, salty peanuts, and toasted pumpkin seeds. Maybe I'm the only one that kind of thinks it reminds me a little bit of like Ritz crackers or something. But of the peanut butter Ritz crackers, it just does. I know. I don't want to ruin it for anyone, but whatever. I love those crackers anyways. So Apple Orchard Lane. Look at the lid there. And then we have the notes: fresh autumn apples, cedarwood trail, and cinnamon bark. I get so much apple in this one. A little bit, which I like. Tiny bit of that cinnamon, not like strong at all on the cinnamon, which is good. This is a really good mixture. Now we have banana walnut muffin. I really like these candles. I really like the way they made these. I don't know, this collection here, I enjoyed it. I like the other lid more with the pumpkins, but that's okay. Like, this is a nice lid too. I wish that came with the pumpkin ones because that one's even cuter. We have sweet banana, golden nutmeg, cinnamon sugar muffin. When I open this candle, I feel like I definitely get like the nutmeg and the cinnamon a little bit more. Maybe the nutmeg more, but I definitely get like the walnut, and I get a sweet, like I definitely get a banana scent. It smells so good. Now this one's the one I do want out of all of these, because I've already burnt this one and finished one off. I want to burn it too, but I think I'm gonna definitely maybe start this one off. And of course, I told you guys, if I'm starting candles right now, I'm doing my best to finish them off. Hopefully in my collection, I just want to have like brand new candles, and whatever I start burning, like I just burn. It's very windy out here, but yeah. Now I have some more candles in here, okay, but let's go to the gift that my friend got for me. Let me take it out of here. It's a sweet little gift. Thank you, friend. Thank you for being so thoughtful. Okay, so here are the 2 items that she gave me. She knows how much I love my pink petal tea cake candle, and I never had this particular soap, which I don't know why I didn't buy it. I know I was an online exclusive, I believe, but I should have bought it. But I didn't know, okay? I didn't know how good that was. Now this one here, Kate Spade socks. These are so cute. Let me take them out of here. Life is good. And this says Foxy Lady, like if once you put it together. And the back of these other ones say head over heels. Cute, cute socks. I will use them. And then this right here, let me show you the notes for those of you that don't know. Pink petal tea cake, pink rose petals, pound cake, and vanilla glaze. I definitely get the rose, but I get like a sweet scent from like the pound cake and vanilla. It's so good. Okay, these kids are loud. Okay, so I pulled a bag within a bag. So here we have, since it goes a while without me picking them up, she puts my name on it. So we have lavender vanilla, and oh, this is, I believe this is a Aldi candle, because there's an Aldi in LA area. I don't have an Aldi in Northern California, but there is some in Southern California. So when there's a couple of things, I'll like tell her to pick up for me. And look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. You guys know, toasted. I mean, look at this. The sticker's not too good, but I don't even care. I'm going to burn this one. We'll see how the other one is. Toasted coconut eclair. I was not able to get this locally close to me. When I did see it in store once, I thought I would see it again, and I didn't buy it because they were full price. And I was like, I have to wait on a sale, and I didn't have a candle to exchange, but I should have grabbed it. And we have fresh baked donut, milk chocolate frosting, and toasted coconut flakes. Oh, these kids out here, I can't even think right now. And you guys know these lids. Look at these lids. Oh, let me just pull out the other one and then I'll smell it. Okay, so here's the other one. I'm trying to push the sticker down. Yeah, but toasted coconut eclair I got two. Yes. So one I'll keep in my collection. I don't plan on burning it. This is just a beauty. You guys know I do collect. As of now, I still love having like a little collection. And yeah, it just makes it brings me joy. It makes me happy. That's it. So I love this candle. I smelled it already. It smells so, if you're a coconut lover like me, you will love this candle. I love it. It's so good. Yes, the coconut jumps out at you for sure. I get a little bit of the chocolate, It's just so sweet and good. Oh, I love this candle. This candle I'm burning tonight. I feel like I want to start it off in my room because I really want to get to smell it really good. And since my room is not like a big old open concept, it is a bigger room, but I just want to try it out in there. Man, these kids are having fun out here. I'm actually going to take the last thing that's in the in here and okay, I moved the box out of the way. And those kids are just screaming and yelling, and hopefully you guys can ignore. But we have Huntington Home White Almond. So this is another one that Aldi had, and she's been holding on to it. When Kimball or Sneeko, when you guys talk about Aldi, I'm just like, oh my goodness, I can't get to an Aldi. But there's times where I'm like, okay, can you go get this one for me? And look at this presentation. These are like nice candles to like gift, I think, with the box and everything. Oh, it makes me not want to burn it. But I gotta try them out. I only have one. Oh, it's not as strong on cold. I don't feel like this was strong. What is the notes besides white almond? Do you guys see it on here? I don't see it. Okay. Yeah, and it's not on like really strong. I'd have to see if anyone knows the notes. I'm wondering if I'm wondering if it has vanilla because it's not strong and I can smell the sweetness. Like I feel like I could smell a little bit of vanilla in there, but definitely the almond as well. And well, there it is. That's one of the Aldi candles I was able to get from her picking it up for me. Now, let's see this one here. This one here is another Aldi one she picked up for me because I had to have this one, strawberry lemonade. When I smelled this one, it kind of reminded me of the pink lemonade we have, but obviously that one doesn't have strawberry, but this one does. It's just like that lemonade scent that it gives. It's good. It's really good. Strawberry lemonade. That's all. These don't have notes, I guess. Definitely can smell the strawberry in the lemonade for sure, and I'm happy to have it. It's so good. So we have lavender vanilla because I wasn't able to get a 3-wick. And I told her we have 1-wicks in the store, but I wanted to try a 3-wick, but then I struggle because I'm like, do I want to try it or do I want to keep it for the collection? I feel like I want to try it. I feel like I want to try this one so I could really get the gist and know like how it throws and everything about it. I feel like we hopefully will bring it back, but here are notes here in the front, but let's read the notes down here. Lavender blossom, creamy vanilla, white woods, and sugared musk. Now I haven't looked at the ones we do have in the store to see if it has like the exact same notes. That would be interesting, but we do have 1-wicks in the store that are lavender vanilla in the aromatherapy. I feel like it smells similar to those. It's pretty strong on the lavender. I can smell, even though the vanilla I would think would bring this one down a lot, I can smell the lavender. It's definitely strong on the lavender, so if you don't like lavender scents, you're not going to like this one. That is all that I have for you guys. These are the candles I was able to pick up basically last weekend when I was in LA. I picked up the ones my friend was holding on to, and the orders that I made as I was over there are these down here that came in. So yeah, that is all, friends. Oh, by the way, my husband and my son and like they made like a boys trip, my older son, to Las Vegas. And thank you to Dr. Shopaholic on Instagram that told me, tell them to stop on the way back out, to stop at the outlets, Bath and Body Works outlets. And I did. I didn't have high hopes. I didn't think they would, and they did, friends. They even got, so I'll have a haul from that. They got me some items. I don't think it was too much, but they got me a couple of things, and I was able to have them like record a little bit. So we'll see how the video footage shows, but I will try to post that next. So we will see. They stopped at the Bath and Body Works outlet in Las Vegas as they're coming back to California, and I'm just excited to see, friends. So I hope that you guys will be excited to watch that video, and let's see what the footage looks like, right? But all right, friends, I love you guys so much. Until the next one, stay blessed. Bye.